Independence Day speech. First speech. Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today, on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British, who ruled over our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who devoted their entire lives for the independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for the nation's freedom. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. Today, we have the right to choose our government. We all are the fortunate that we took birth in an independent India. But we cannot take this independence for granted. We all must contribute for the development of our country so that no country can imagine to rule over us again. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country's development and progress. Let us all pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Second speech. Good morning to all respected principal, honorable chief guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15th of August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must be proud to be an Indian. So let's celebrate. Today we create joy. Thank you. Jai Hind. Third speech. Respected principal, honorable guests, my teachers, and my lovely friends. At first, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today, I am glad to be a part of this ceremony. This is the day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. On this occasion, we should remember the sacrifice of freedom fighters. They devoted their entire lives for the freedom of our country. As a result of their struggles, India got independence from British rule on 15th of August 1947. Let's all pledge to do our best for the development of our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind. Fourth speech. Good morning to all respected principals, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Bablu Sinha. Would like to speak a few words about Independence Day. We all are here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. This is the day to remember the great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who devoted their entire lives for the independence of our country. We should not let their blood go to waste. We should work to build our country. Thank you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.